A devastating mudslide in Tibet has left more than 380 tourists missing and at least 31 people dead, after a powerful surge of mud, rocks and floodwater swept through areas near the China-Nepal border. The disaster struck the Jairong land port and several settlements along a mountain river. Dramatic footage shows torrents carrying huge amounts of rock and debris smashing through port facilities, bridges and multi-story buildings. The landslide also damaged 14 hydropower facilities in the region. A large number of tourist groups were reportedly in the area when the disaster occurred. Of the more than 380 tourists currently listed as missing, 291 are foreign nationals. At least 93 people have been injured, according to preliminary figures. Chinese President Xi Jinping has ordered a large-scale rescue and emergency response operation as authorities continue searching for missing people and assessing the extent of the destruction.
Lo, go ahead. Oh, yeah, it's not yet out. Get out, get out.
Cumhuriyet Pazarı yayıyor bak ya bu. Çek seni bakayım. Savaşı diyor.
Với các hàng chơi. Lo. Ê, chị các bạn. Ai đó. Sẽ bị besi pada. Rồi. Thì xin nói đi ba đi ai cơ. Mát chứ mát chứ mát. Chứ mát chứ đó. Ê bạn. Thế này thula ai cơ. Ada na phipati ayo. Ê. Đây chú ơi. Phạt chứ đó. मेरे ने बुलाया है। ओए भाग! ओए छिटो भाग!
मामा लाइभ यो चाहिँ है गाइस यस्तो लाइभ छ ओहो पुरा ड्याम फुटेर आयो यार पुरा चाइनाको ड्याम फुटेर आएर छ आमामामामामा ल यहाँ हामीले अब ओहो यार यो पुरा ड्याम फुटेर आएको यो घर गयो यो ल ल त्रिशुली बजारै गयो यार ल गयो यार ओ ए सिलास यता आऊ यता आमामामा यार बजारै गयो यार यहाँ नबसौँ ल अलि टाढा बसौँ टाढा यो पुरै ल घरहरू जम्मै गयो ल घरहरू जम्मै गयो यो पुरै आमामा ड्याम यार